Hey guys, my name's Nate and I'm the Outdoorsman, joined by my wife Cassie, and we're going to open up the August and September 2019 Cairn boxes. If you want to know why, it's because I couldn't open it up in August because we moved. Want more details on that? I should have released a video on that previously. I'll put it up in an iCard up there. We will open up the August one first because that's how time works. Yes, that is a knife. Okay. I figured instead of releasing this one late, and I just didn't want to open it up right away, I figured we'll just do a two for. Why not? Make this a little bit longer of a video. So let's see what's in it. So first comes to first, it's a daily tube, so it's one of these like buff things. It's a daily tube. I am in front of a table and it's going to make it harder. New place, longer stuff. So it's one of these.
UV protecting.
It's pretty.
4-way stretch. Multiple wearing applications, machine washable.
Useful.
You can use as a cleaning cloth for your glasses.
It is bloody hot up here in the loft.
And you can add water to it for cooling down.
I'm a ninja. So, it's actually pretty warm. And then like that. Or
they show you like the multiple ways on the package.
Can't see without these.
There you go. That is one of the ways.
Oh.
There is another.
That's how I'm wearing it for the rest of the video.
Okay then.
Okay.
Moving on.
It's comfy. More socks. By 0.6. I've gotten stuff from 0.6 before. I liked them. Ultralight, no cushion, quick dry, 37.5 quick dry socks. Merino Master. I've had 0.6 before. Large. Well, they're crew socks.
They're the ultra light ones.
I don't like this style socks, so the ones that don't have any ankles to it.
I love those.
Try them. They may fit you. They should look like they're perfectly gonna fit you. A large is woman's 10 to 12.5.
So they're a little big on me. The heel like sits a little further back, but they fit pretty good, and they are really light and breathable, and they have this little extra like flab on the back, probably to help cushion the back of the ankle.
Family farmed, and so yeah, no, I mean they're ultra, but they feel comfy.
Yeah.
How do they feel right now in the heat?
No, like the top is like a breathable, like mesh.
And then let me see, Defunk Active Wash Laundry Detergent Packet Unscented. So then we have this. Yep. So Defunkify, which is an active. So let me see. Toss one pack into the washer tub, add clothes, start washing, start standard washing machines, toss 2 packet into washer tub, add clothes and start washer. This awesome laundry detergent for best results. Use warm hot water. And, so generally Defunkify like gets rid of like really bad smells.
So maybe if you have some old camping gear or something
That's
that you accidentally forgot to unpack as soon as you got home, and finding that a normal wash is not doing it for you.
Or like active wear or something that is just not cleaning well.
Yeah.
So that's what this is usually good for. And what we tend to do with this stuff is we tend to like leave it with, we have like a box of this stuff. And we tend to dig into it frequently whenever we need it. Because we may not need to defunctify right away, but we've ended up finding a need for it, like
specific things that we've gotten in Cairn boxes, like even a couple of years later.
Yeah, so we tend to, of random items down the line, and it's weird the amount of times it's happened, but that's useful. And then for the food, we have Honey Stingers, which you like that brand.
I do like that brand.
You love Honey Stingers, and it's mango orange, natural flavored, organic energy gel. Let's see, what is it?
Sounds good.
So let's see, and it has, which is, let me bring it up. I may have to figure out a good camera system for this. So
Trial and error, first time.
First time in this, I may have to set up a second camera system. One serving per packet. Let's see, so it has sodium, potassium, total carbohydrates, 25, sugar, and that's about it. Oh wait, no, let's see. Yeah, no, it doesn't look like it has caffeine in it. Should we try it now or should we save it? Try it now?
Yeah.
Mango orange, okay. So we can always buy new ones of these.
Yeah, once we know what it, like the flavor is and we know that we like it.
Not my cup of tea. Definitely not my cup of tea.
It kind of tastes like...
It's honey. It's basically honey.
No, it's like a... I think, I don't know if it's because it's like warm, but like almost like a orange flavored gummy that's been sitting in the sun.
Yeah, I don't like warm orange.
That's. I wish it was on the colder side, but or even closer to room temperature. But
Well,
I still like the flavor.
You can cool it if you want, but I don't think honey usually cools because I think it's honey.
Yeah, because if you try to cool down honey, it's just gonna like solidify.
Yeah.
I think it tastes good.
Do you want to save that for later?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to forego, because we have so many items this month, I'm going to forego the voting. But if you want to say which item you like from each, which item was your favorite from each month, go ahead and tell us which one is your favorite. I'm so far kind of liking the, what was this called again?
Daily tube.
The Daily Tube. I'm kind of liking this. It's actually, I'm not a big fan of tubes, but actually this one's kind of comfy after I've worn it for like
Last couple minutes.
last couple of minutes. What about you?
I like the socks.
Yeah, because I've worn 0.6. I like 0.6. Okay, let's move on to September. So for August, that was August. Let's move on to September. Do you remember? September. Okay, let's find out. Mountain City. Nomad package. Packable duffel.
Ooh. We do enjoy packable duffels.
We like packable anything.
Yeah.
Because when we travel, we like packing things in packable things. If that makes any sense.
It does if you really think about it.
Mountain City. I pack backpacks within my duffels. Or I pack backpacks in my backpacks.
Want some help?
I got. Okay, so what size is this? Doesn't say the size edge. Okay, it's a small one. so it's a small duffel. But it's a packable one.
This would be good for like, just like a small gym bag almost.
Or to pack it on a trip if you need like something for souvenirs.
Yeah, it could work for that. The other thing it could probably work for is if you needed like an emergency kit in your car. I feel like it's a good size for that.
Yeah. But yeah, so that, I probably want to say 18 liters?
I feel like
18,
it should
16?
say it on there. Let me look at the tag.
I didn't see it on the tag. Let's see, sometimes it says it in here. But yeah, it seems like it's about 22 liters.
You weren't too far off.
Yeah. So it's a 22 liter one, so
It's
I mean...
got a little logo on the side over here.
So it, like, the other thing you could do is you pack it in a larger suitcase, and then it ends up becoming something you can pack as either when you go camping or if you need a gym bag. Or if you're going to be using it as kind of like if you want to throw it into like a sled or something. That's what I like having packable bags for, to throw into suitcases.
And it's nice to, when you're not using them, to be able to fold them down small for storage for when they're not in use too, because bags can take up a lot of space in your house.
Yeah.
So to be able to pack them down smaller when you're not using them is great too.
Which made moving difficult. There's the food, and then this is, let me see. So this is for more climbing, which, or is it? Oh, this is just a regular hero clip. Okay, hero clip. Say hello to your favorite clip. Hang stuff securely. Hooks for clips for just about anything. Swivel 365 degrees. Easily access your stuff. Work, camp, travel, dining, organize. Actually, I probably could have used this a lot when we were moving.
Yeah.
Get this out.
This is a small, its max pounds that it can hold is 50 pounds.
Yeah, so it isn't meant to hold a lot. It's more meant to hold like small stuff.
Warning, not for climbing.
No. Because they make hero clips that are meant for climbing. Okay. So now they've got the hero clip out. So these are pretty useful in certain circumstances. So I mean, I can just clip it onto myself, but then if I want to hook it on if I want to basically hang something, clip it on, and then like I could clip on a bunch of the groceries and carry the groceries.
Yeah.
Or I could do a bunch of other things. I could use it around the house. I'm doing work stuff or various other things. So I mean,
It's a very versatile tool.
yeah, they're pretty versatile. That it's 50 pounds worth of stuff, but they're pretty useful. And this was made by Hero Clip. So. Let's see. So we had that. What was the other thing? We had the
Duffel, packable duffel.
And then we have.
Hero Clip.
Then we have the food item. Drinks. I still have that taste of that honey stung in my mouth. The GFB gluten-free bar, chocolate peanut butter.
Ooh.
Doesn't have gluten in it. It doesn't have gluten if it's just pure chocolate. No, that isn't their slogan. That was me making fun of it. Let's see. I'm not going to show the 12 grams of plant protein. And it says gluten-free, soy-free, non-GMO protein, certified vegan, and it's bee certified. Looks like a brownie. Break off a piece. Break it in half. Tastes like a brownie. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Tastes like a trail brownie.
Yeah.
Like I wouldn't have like expected it to specifically be gluten free.
Yeah.
Like you can't really tell.
Out of all the trail brownies we've had through the Cairn Box, I think this is more of my favorite. Mm-hmm. We've had a couple through them. Mm-hmm. Okay. So out of this box, which one was your favorite item? Was your favorite?
I'm gonna say the brownie.
I like the duffel. I'm a sucker for any bag. You don't have a hat. So out of the two, so out of September, which item was your favorite? You can also mention down in the comments in your comment. Also, if you want, mention, because this is also a weird hodgepodge of an episode. Which box was your favorite? September or August? I think I liked August better. It had a lot more cool stuff in it. Which month was your favorite?
August.
But you lost your hat.
It was hot in there.
It was hot in her hat. Anyways, on that note, you guys have a good day. Remember, get out in the woods. Have some fun. Do something cool. Find a cool hat like that was. See everyone.